What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here we have a utility knife combo kit. Comes with 2 folding utility knives and a pack of 50 blades for replacements. You can open this up. It locks in position. To replace the blades, you push on this little button here and then you can pull the blade out. You insert the blade, and to close the knife, there's a little button right here. Push down on that. Close the knife. It does the same with the other one. And then here is the pack of blades. To slide the blades out, you can push right here. It slides the blades out. You take it out. You want to leave those in there for storage. You can hang this on your wall. Get yours at 1aauto.com to be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.